Hello everybody. Due to technical issues, we decided to record once again my last webinar, especially for these people which couldn't join to us, but they wanted to see the results of our work. So let's do not waste the time. Let's start immediately with the webinar, which is dedicated for connectivity. The title is Connectivity, the Magic Makes Difference. My name is Paweł Janowski. I'm area sales manager responsible for Middle and Eastern Europe, and today I have a pleasure to present you OPTOMER's solutions and also a drop of theory in this topic. Okay, so I would like to first introduce also OPTOMER. We are a family company over 30 years in the telecommunication business with own production facilities, warehouses and offices located in central Poland. We have own R&D department, design office and training center. We are official partner of Swiss company Diamond SA and a member of the FTTH Council Europe. Our offer based on standard portfolio products, full solutions, custom-made products, single components, training courses, complete support before, during and after. Our factory, that's telecommunications equipment plant where we make hardware devices like indoor-outdoor cabinets, pillars, distribution boxes, optical outlets and other. And in new open plant we make pre-connectorized fiber optic cables. So why OPTOMER? 2 plants in operations, almost 6,500 meters square manufacturing, warehousing and office space, over 160 employees, roughly 10% is our R&D department, more than 10 million euro our annual turnover, capacity up to 50,000 fiber optic connectors per week and circa 100 prototypes designed per year. We are a certified company by ISO 9001 and 14001 as well. So, connectivity, future of puzzle philosophy. First, I would like to tell you a little bit about fiber connection methods, so it will be a drop of theory. I will show you the selected standards of connectors. So we try to make basic analysis of optical fiber connection methods and the most common connector standards. I will be glad to present you selected connectivity solutions which we distribute, which we created, design and provide to the market, or solutions in which solutions we are involved in production. And after all of that, we try to make a summary of this webinar. So fiber connection methods, optical fiber connection methods, you can see on the diagram. We can split on detachable and fixed. Let's start from fixed one and fusion splices. What is first choice solution for fixed connection and most common. So that's fiber is melted and fused in electric arc. That's deliver you very low insertion loss and almost no reflection. It means that it's very high return loss. This connection method is permanent and unchanging over time. However, a weak point, as a weak point, it can be considered that don't give you the possibility to connect a measuring instrument in the splice connection point. What means that you can't identify the fail uh, on this part of network with the splices. Yes. So another fixed connection method is mechanical splices. Fiber is joined in the V groove filled with index matching fluid. Index matching fluid between fibers is gel, so that's third environmental, and therefore you will receive higher insertion loss and the risk of the degradation of parameters over the time. However, deliver you quick installation, and such a connection method doesn't require splicing machine. So we absolutely recommend this connection method as a temporary solution. What just help you to connect your customer and getting to get the quick income. However, it's good if this connection method over the time will be replaced by fusion splice. Another connection methods, detachable. We can start from non-physical contact lensed connectors. Light transferred between the fibers is through lenses, so no contact. Therefore, it's a lower return loss and also higher insertion loss. So if we compare with the standard physical contact connectors, the parameters will be worse. However, the strong point of this connection method is especially resistance, and the resistance is greater to tear, to high power, and to damage. Recommendation for this connectors is field and industrial environment. And the last one connection method what I would like to present is physical contact. We can split on two categories. It's physical contact and angle physical contact. Angle physical contact give you a higher return loss. So light transfer directly through physical contacting what give you lower insertion loss if we compare to lens connectors and higher return loss, and for APC what I said before, it's even higher. However, you will get lower resistance to dirt, to high power, and to damage. Another strong point for this kind of the connection is possibility to measure the network signal on the connection point. Recommendation in most of the areas required appropriate conditions, and it's common choice. So connector standards, the most common are E2000, which give you absolutely excellent parameters and contain integral protection shutters for ferrule and fiber. Another one, the most common standard, SC connectors. That's the budget one if we compare with E2000. LC connectors are considered when you have to increase the capacity of your network and can successfully replace SC connectors. In some networks, you can see that LC connectors are successfully used in outdoor application. Another one are FC connectors used in high vibration environments, connected with threaded connections. So yes, to to specified industries, they can be definitely used, and we provide such a products, boxes, cabinets, to various industry where these connectors are for this industry. This is the connector standard is a first choice. ST connector still in usage, however, successfully replaced by SC1 and another connector standard, that's MTP. And these connectors mostly are dedicated for data centers because massively increase the capacity in the hardware devices. So connectivity, conclusion from needs to ideas. I believe that the main challenges for our industry are as follows. So we try to, of course, speed up installation process, create network flexibility, just connect or unconnect. It's very helpful to measure network signal if it's required. The solutions, of course, it's good if they minimize capex for installation equipment, reduce skill set and training time for the workers, work can be absolutely crucial, and optimize network parameters. That's probably the main challenges and targets for all companies involved in telecommunication sector. So now I would like to present you a couple of the solutions which can effectively replace fixed connections or other standard of the connectors. I believe that first kind of such a connector to try to replace lens connectors, it can be E2000 PS diamond connectors. Of course, not in any single situation, it's not possible, but product designers, manufacturers always try to establish new products and new solutions with the better parameters for networks, and as this product give you greater resistance to high power, dirt and damage. That's what is delivered by lens connectors, can be get by this kind of the solutions, and keep very good parameters if we speak about insertion and return loss. How such a great resistance has been reached? So single more fiber is spliced with the graded index fiber. Single more fiber has got 9 microns fiber core and graded index fiber 40 microns fiber core. So we created expanded beam and lower power density for the connection, and that's how the greater resistance has been implemented in this product solution successfully. Another product, it's because this E2000 PS connector from Diamond we distribute only, but patchable patch cord tool-free connection was fully designed and made by OPTOMER and deliver to the installers quick and easy installation without any tools like blowing machine or splicing machine. The main target it was for us, and requirement from customer side was push to meet destination. We use a very stiff cable, HDPE1 with groove outer sheath, 2.5 millimeters outside diameter, and G657A1 fiber, and also connector, our divisible SC connector, which is known as one-snap connector as well. Testing parameters, we had 10 by 6 mm microtube without pull cord, and we had to reach over 100-meter passable distance with 180 degrees bend. I will show you physically this cable, how it looks. Only I need to switch on my mobile camera. Okay, so you can see that this cable is very stiff, yes, and therefore it's possible to push this on a very long distance. On very long distance, and on the end we installed our tool that's dedicated tool for blowing or pushing. See this better in that position, and on the end in this product has been pre-installed, but I've got ferrule pre-installed on different kind of the cable, but that's no matter. I can show you this solution on this kind of cable. Has been pre-installed our one-snap connector, so you've got only the ferrule, of course, and other tools are delivered in the separated bag. As you can see, that's two parts of the housing to get the SC standard connector. Installation is pretty easy. Only we need to identify the red mark because it's APC polishing, APC connector angle polishing, and just click. Yes, the red mark is on the top. Click, and connector is ready. It's ready to connect, plug into the termination box. Yes, optical termination outlet. So that gives you great opportunity to make the installation pretty easy on customer side without any tools, and that's how this solution was tested by us. Another solution from OPTOMER's portfolio is OPTOMER Connect System Plus. Generally, the idea of this family of products has been created by our two plants, because in one plant we make hardware devices, in other plant we make PICTAs, multi-PICTAs, patch cords, multi-patch cords. So we decided to start pre-install in our hardware devices this kind of equipment. The list of fully equipped products is almost unlimited. All products can be customized to meet customer requirements, but the main for us is full quality control of assembled products. So we measure them, we cleanliness testing by microscope camera, we clean the products if it's required by one-click cleaner tool, dedicated dust-free wipers, and of course make double control. I've got one such a product which is fully equipped in here. I would like to show you. So this is the cabinet for 48 subscribers. You can see that it's all products, patch cords and PICTAs are pre-installed. Yes, an installer can get easy the patching filled plate, take to the service car and make splicing there, because on the back of this plate you can find the spare cables, the spare feeder cable, and that's allow you to make a splicing in the service car. Once splicing is done, you can put back the plate, close the pillar and connection is done. All right, so if you would like to see more ideas of fully equipped products, I highly recommend to find my previous webinar, which was dedicated for this kind of products. It's called OPTOMER Connect System Plus, and you can find the webinar on our YouTube channel. There probably you will get much more ideas how these products and our products can be equipped. In another product, we've been involved as a original equipment manufacturer. Sorry for that. That's fiber units pre-connectorized at one or both ends, up to 4 fiber. Outside diameter of this fiber units is 1.05 millimeters, and we've pre-installed LC because SC and LC connector options are available, and it's possible to blow these products into the microtube with inside diameter 3.5 millimeters and higher. Blowing distance is absolutely incredible, from 25 up to 1000 meter. If you compare with our patchable solutions, you can reach distance almost 10 times better than our product dedicated mostly for pushing, and you don't require splicing for the customer drop. Only you need to splice with the pigtail or feeder cable the other side of the product. This product of course reduce skill set and training required for installation. Extremely small storage area for access for excess fiber is required, and reduce the capex for installation equipment. I can show you this product physically, but again I need to switch on my mobile camera. So as you can see, the cable it's a little bit more gently. Yes, it's not so stiff. However, that give you great parameters for blowing distance. You can't see this on camera, but also outer sheet is grooved. What bring you the same results? Yes, it means a fantastic distance for blowing. Another solution is natural evolution of the previous product, pre-connected fiber units, and that's fitted microcanalization. So you've got microtube and or bundle microtubes, and they are with pre-installed fiber units. Also SC or LC divisible connectors are available, so you can pre-connectorize these products and directly use as a underground, direct barrier and ducted products, facade, aerial option, or indoor with CPR rating up to BCA. And if we speak about this product, we don't require not only splicing machine, but it's not required also blowing machine, and therefore is massively reduce capex for installation equipment. The same story with skill set and training, which are required but not so intensive like with with standard products, and extremely small storage area for excess fiber. Another solution what I would like to present you today, that's MDU Connect System Plus. This system is dedicated for multi-dwelling buildings. We can call this suitable puzzles because we've got generally two products. Yes, it's a pre-connected riser cable with pre-installed modules and indoor box with module frames, as you can see on the slide on the picture. So it's one end it's pre-connected. I can show you the cable construction as example. Yes, mobile camera, but one side is pre-connected and connectors are plugged in adapters. Adapters are in metal frames, and these modules frames and these modules in metal modules, and these modules can be easily installed in the frames which are in our indoor boxes. So it's no fiber splicing required on feeder cable side. Generally the idea of this box is that inside the boxes you've got only feeder cable spliced with the pigtail which is connected on one side with the splitter 1 by 16 or 1 by 32. Riser cable of course can support many apartments on multiple floors, minimize the issue with the limited space in the in existing ducting infrastructure. So it can be really a good option if we have got a limited space in existing ducting infrastructure. And drop cables can be spliced with riser cable inside the branch box. I will show you maybe first a branch box. Also this product has been designed by us. So we've got the branch box, that's how it looks. I'll open for you how it looks inside. Okay, see, you see, okay, so its capacity is 12 splices, so you can install such a floor box. That's depend how many apartments is on each floor. If it will be 2-3 apartments, so every 2 floors you can install this box. The riser cable is on the back. The good point is that this box can be installed after a riser cable installation. Of course, the installer need to cut the window in the cable and provide the modules to splice with the drop cables. So that's how it looks inside. We've got the modules inside, yes, on this end. We splice with the drop cables and provide drop cables to the to apartment to optical termination outlet. So I hope that this end I will clarify clear enough. And in this solution, the cable capacity for trial was from 24 fiber units up to 144 fiber units in options with 4 6 fiber units models or 24 6 fiber units models. If we speak about the boxes, we provide different capacity range of indoor boxes from 36 up to 144 subscribers. Let's move to another slide which helped me to clarify you how the boxes has been designed. So as you can see, you provide a feeder cable. Feeder cable is spliced with the pigtails or splitters. That's depend if the splitters. As you can see in here, we design with with the patching fields, so and they are pre-installed adapters, so the feeder cable is spliced with the pigtails. Pigtails are provided to the adapter, and adapter from adapter is signaled to splitter that 1 by 16 or 1 by 32, and the signal is transferred to our riser cables. So generally use splice only the feeder cable with the splitters in the basement, and also it's required splicing on the drop side. Another solution, that's the last one, visible optical termination outlet set plus connect and control. This product has been designed especially if some companies make a decision to get higher visibility of network quality by centralized OTDR system. So if we use, of course, it's not always used in optical outlet reflector. We can use just a standard PC connector, because the main thing is to get the visibility. If PC connector return loss will be low enough to get this visibility, it means that PC connector will be enough for this option. However, if it won't be return loss won't be enough low, it means that we need to use reflector to get this visibility. Such a product configuration deliver you possibility of live control for your assets value, and the set is installed in the same easy and smooth way like the standard one. Only what is required is required to replace APC connector by PC or reflector, and then your network can get such an advantage that you can control the quality of the network live. Okay, so conclusions. OPTOMER mission, values. So generally this solution shows that our main mission is market inspiring. We like to recognizing challenges, finding solutions, designing prototypes, and promoting FTTX values. As a company, we deliver technical support for partners' ideas. We analyzing them, highlighting critical points and advising. And to the market, we deliver also OEM service, manufacturing, sharing know-how with partners, and suggesting improvements. So we can say that that's the main for us, and we hope to maybe someday also cooperate with you, or if or we are happy to continue cooperation with you, and I hope that you are happy from our services, ideas, and inspirations. You can find us on our social media, so Facebook. You're very welcome to visit our website, YouTube channel, and you can follow us on LinkedIn for more. I hope that I will have a pleasure to deliver you more interesting webinars, more interesting solutions sooner than later. It was very nice to have you in here today, and I hope that we will connect again shortly. Thank you very much for your attention. All the best. It was great to see you again. Bye now.